All right, I'm in Jean's sewing room. We're about to do Jean's unfinished projects. I'm sure this isn't going to be all of them, but she has quite the sampling, and she has one. Now, we could waffle whether this is unfinished or just never started, but it is more than 50 years old. So we're in for a fun ride. But in the meantime, while we wait for Jean to get ready to come upstairs, I'll give you a little tour of our sewing room. As we come in the door, we have her thread storage. Jean has 2 sets of thread storage and this really cool, like really tall, small drawers with more thread, I believe, and color coded with little pieces of paper. Thread, thread. In that cupboard and another cupboard behind, there's storage and the hot water tank. And then she has this bank of cabinets that she had a friend put in for her with drawers and shelves under here behind this chair. She has her ginormous sewing machine with the big bed that she can quilt on. A window, because of course the best place to do your main sewing is out that window. She has her other backup machines. She's got this machine, that's her older machine. She has her brother, because she does like brother and Bernina. There, and more drawers. She painted those. Those were old nightstands or old cupboards out of David's room. These cupboards were in David's room as well. I don't know if they went in after he left home or not. And then this is kind of cool, the bank of plugs. I thought that was a rather clever idea. And then she's got her cutting stuff. And then here, a rail. This is unique probably to the radiators that they have in the UK. She's got a wooden thing to hold her rulers. And then lots of these bags holding the cutters and scissors and stuff. Another window that looks out over town. This is the view you've seen from me the most, but this is what it's like from upstairs. And then this is Jean's cutting table that she can open up or fold down as she sees fit. She's got her hoops here, a light there that reflects onto her cutting table. More storage underneath the cutting table a little bit, and then baskets. And then a shelf of her